My name is Geoff Ladder, and this is my journey. Well, here we are on show day here at the Edmonton International Airshow. It's been quite a process to get the show going. Some of you may know, if you've been watching the weather in the last little while, there's been a crazy amount of forest fires in British Columbia and also in Alberta and into Washington State. And these are basically causing reduced visibility and smoke. Even the transit here a few days ago was quite challenging. But here we are on show day, and sure enough, the smoke is cleared. And so we're excited to get up and do our thing. It's quite windy here, but that's certainly easier to deal with than the reduced visibility and smoke. So we're good to go. It's showtime. I'm just getting the airplane ready now. I'm going to be flying in about an hour. So really what's left to do today is to finish the walk around, the daily inspection on the airplane, and then I'm going to go into my stand down period where I'll start preparing for my flight. I'll walk through the flight, I'll listen to some music. I won't worry about the logistics of this air show or, you know, really think about anything else other than flying the performance, and then it'll be time to go on up onto stage and smoke on. So let's do this.
Hey Geoff.
Yes.
What kind of music do you listen to while you're getting ready?
I mean soft rock mostly, but I don't listen to soft rock.
Nancy, show us.
Nancy, go.
Okay, airspace is yours. Surface to 5,000 feet, 5 nautical miles. Call last map.
You see to believe. So when you send her on, give her a kiss from me. It's just your style. You don't know what you want. It's been a while without a word you're gone. We go out where you go. We go out where you go. We go out where you go. We go out. When you disappear, like you never.
What's your favorite part about airshows?
VIP! So I just finished my performance here at Edmonton, but because of the smoke over the last few days, there was a couple of acts that weren't able to make it in, unfortunately. And so there's a little of extra time in there. We're going to do something really special. Drew Watson from Yellow Thunder and I are going to go up before he starts a solo act with his Harvard. We're going to go up with the Nanchang and the Harvard together in a warbird heritage flight pass.
What's your game? I'm a killer, see, won't be taken.
Well, that's a wrap here for the Edmonton Airshow. Getting back to the hotel here at the River Cree in Edmonton. We want to say thanks to River Cree for hosting us, as well as to Driving Force, who provided us with the rental truck while we were here. You know, all things considered, with the smoke and everything, how it started, it ended up being a great show, great turnout. You know, some pretty incredible things. I got to do the dissimilar formation with Drew from Yellow Thunder, with the debut, I guess you could say, of Green Thunder. That was a real highlight for me, and definitely a highlight for Evan, and I wish we'd have videoed it, but unfortunately we didn't. We want to give a huge thanks to Eric and the entire team at Precision Exotics. They're a pretty incredible group of people. They travel around from different air shows, and they allow anybody out there the chance to drive and race down a runway, a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. And my son Evan absolutely loves the Lamborghini. Eric took Evan for a rip down the runway and back as a ride at the end of the show. A huge thank you to Precision Exotics. We're going to leave their information right here, which you can see. Definitely check out Precision Exotics if you've got an interest in fast cars. Anyways, that wraps up the Edmonton Airshow. So it's time to get packed, get ready, go get something to eat, and then tomorrow we'll start the trek back to Abbotsford, British Columbia.